Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Notion dashboard, a powerful tool for organizing your life. We'll start by setting up a brand new page, choosing a layout that fits your style, and adding a cover image and icon to make it visually engaging. Consider using a full-width page for maximum space. This initial setup is crucial for building a functional and aesthetically pleasing workspace that truly reflects your needs and preferences. Now, let's dive into the core elements that make a dashboard truly useful. Integrating databases for tasks, projects, or notes is fundamental for organization. Toggle lists are fantastic for keeping your page tidy, revealing information only when you need it. Don't forget to embed external content like calendars and use headings and dividers to create a clear, easy-to-navigate structure. These blocks are the building blocks of an effective dashboard. Once you encounter faults, the capture strategy is straightforward. Start by inflicting a status condition like sleep or paralysis to prevent it from escaping or attacking effectively. Next, carefully reduce its health to a critical level, ideally leaving it with just one health point. Be cautious not to accidentally knock it out. With its health low and a status condition active, throw your best piquet ball and cross your fingers for a successful capture. To take your dashboard to the next level, consider some advanced tips. Implement synced blocks to maintain consistent information across various pages, ensuring everyone sees the latest updates. Sharing your dashboard with collaborators is excellent for teamwork, fostering a collaborative environment. Remember to regularly review and update your dashboard to keep it relevant. Finally, explore Notion's many integrations to enhance functionality and automate parts of your workflow, making your dashboard even more powerful.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.